Hi, want to know how to enable or disable chat heads on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open the Messenger application and then click on these three lines at the left upper corner. Here, as a next step on the appeared menu, we would need to click on the settings icon, which looks like this. So let's click on it. And now we would need to scroll down until you'll find this setting, which is named chat heads. As you can see, currently they are disabled. So to enable them, we would need to click on this slider. And here you can see some information about this feature. And we would need to also permit Messenger drawing our other apps. So we click go to settings. Here on this app list, we would need to find our Messenger and click on this slider to give the permission. Now let's go back. And this is it. Now our chat heads are enabled. So now the last step is left. If you would like to otherwise disable this feature, we would need to click on this blue slider, and this is it. Now the chat heads are disabled. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.